I am Gersom Adu, founder and CEO of Vien Health. We're a health startup and the first virtual comprehensive healthcare solution connecting healthcare organizations, doctors, patients across the continent of Africa, and also with an end-to-end electronic health record system. My background is in technology, and I graduated from the University of North Texas in the year 2019 with a degree in computer engineering. Our approach for helping patients manage their health and address recurrent issues is holistic health. It is designed to marginally improve their health from the inside out. So at Vien Health, we combine cloud-based technology, a dedicated business unit, and an operational support into a comprehensive and a holistic healthcare solution. These services are tailored to exceed the evolving needs of hospitals and health systems at an unmatched quality and scale. Our goal is to strengthen Africa's backbone with the sole aim of placing smart healthcare in the hands of everyone. When I looked at the healthcare system here in America and even at other developed countries, I noticed there was a huge gap in healthcare transformation in the continent of Africa. In fact, by World Health Organization, about 57% of the population have no access to quality healthcare. I'm talking about over half of the population, a population that stands over 1.3 billion, have no access to quality healthcare. Infrastructure and proximity of hospitals remain a big issue even right now. The average patient says that they literally have to take a whole day off in order to go see a doctor. In fact, the average patient also stated that it takes about 1 hour to get to the nearest hospital. And not just that, but about 25% of the population all miss an appointment due to infrastructure and proximity of hospitals. About 25% also of all patients stated that they do believe that the doctors do not care about them. So what is it that we're trying to do? At Vien Health, we are creating a virtual healthcare platform, one that empowers providers, patients to connect virtually from anywhere in Africa, on any device, and at any time. And so on our platform, we have 3 main steps. We have our onboarding care managers. These are dedicated, in-house trained, and passionate about healthcare. They are onboarded to assist patients immediately when they join our platform. They create an experience, review lab tests, and even help patients maximize their full potential of our service. We also have health coaches. Health coaches are dedicated health professionals who assist patients in 3 domains: in nutrition, fitness, and also mental wellness. And last, we have our cream of the crop, world-class medical doctors who are dedicated and are passionate about providing world-class experience to our patients. So by the time a patient have a consultation with a doctor, the patient have gone through our onboarding care managers, the patient have gone through our health coaches, so that by the time the patient sees the doctor have more time to focus on the patient's need, which is to deliver consistent healthcare experience to the patient. No business is 100% resilient, but those who are better equipped to understand what happened, predict what will happen, and take action in real time, they are the ones that will recover faster and emerge stronger. And so when I envision the future of healthcare, it is going to take all of us not only imagining what is possible, but more importantly, to take action. In order to achieve this, I needed a team that understands the vision, interested in the vision, and want to be part of the vision. I also looked out for individuals that have had experiences in building startups, because by then they were able to understand and even predict some pitfalls that may come along the way. As I was looking also for leaders, folks that are able to build on top of what we are building, folks that are able to understand the product that we're trying to build for our customers. So in order to really bring all these heads together and all these teams together, I looked at the healthcare industry. And when I looked at the healthcare industry, I needed a leader who has massive experience in healthcare industry with EHR systems and really implementation of healthcare solutions. I looked at one of the biggest things that we pride ourselves on at Vien Health is experience. How do we provide the best experience to our customers, to our providers? So I needed to bring an onboarding care manager who have massive experience in the industry that provide extensive experience for our patients. That was a core thing that I needed in the team, because everything that we're building, you can have a great product, great solution, but if the customers are not using it and they don't know how to use it, it becomes a problem. So I brought in a member who was able to and is able to simplify the experience for our patients. I also looked at in the technology industry, because obviously what we're building is a technology. So I looked at the technology industry and I looked at my past professional relationship that I've built in the past, and looking at all the core technology stack that is needed to build this virtual healthcare. So I brought all these heads together to be able to form Vien Health and to be able to implement the solutions and services that we are delivering for our patients and providers. From primary care to mental health and fitness to expert medical advice, our providers help millions of people in Africa by providing high quality, empathetic care in virtual setting. So as we spearhead transformation and establish new standards of virtual healthcare, we are dedicated on delivering the highest quality care while vesting medical experts to do what they do best and with delight, that is taking care of patients. When I started Vien Health, one of the things that I got to learn quickly is that you don't build solutions or product for customers. You build with customers. And that means you have to gather customers' feedback, what they like about a specific iteration, a specific features in a product. Gather that feedback, implement, iterate, and repeat. I was missing that when I started Vien Health. I had this vision that I thought, oh, we're gonna get it. This is going to work and we're gonna get it done. So I started with all these designs, these implementations, mock-up, proof of concepts, solutions that I believe was going to work. Now, not all worlds are transferable. Not all solutions in each country is going to transfer to another country. So when I looked at the vision and I looked at the solution from a global standpoint and implementation standpoint, I realized that there was a gap. And that gap was, I needed mentors. I needed advisors. I needed people that were actually in the ground. Because I'm currently here in America and I'm building a solution for the continent of Africa. We needed to be in the ground. We needed to really understand what the customers are feeling, what our patients are feeling daily, in order to really build that empathetic solution for them. One of the hurdles that I had to learn quickly was that not everyone that start with you will stay with you. So you might have a great talent, a great member of your team. You may have a specific individual that perhaps you thought that truly understand the vision and is part and want to be part of building the vision. But you have to realize quickly that no team member is too big for the product. Product is a combination, or a solution for a customer is a combination of philosophy and really sociology. What is the customer feeling? What are they thinking when they open that specific app, when they open that specific platform? What is it? How are they navigating through that? And so as I thought about all of these things and realized that there was a gap, I started now incorporating our customers to make them test a specific feature, to make them test a specific wireframe prototype, so that we can gather feedback, iterate, repeat, and then do that same thing again. Entrepreneurship is for those who are willing to alter and change the world. So when you look at that perspective, you have to continuously and consistently work every single day to bring that vision into fruition. When I look at the whole vision, even how Vien Health started, some of the pitfalls, some of the mistakes that I had to overcome from a leadership standpoint, one of the few things that I can definitely point out is that you need to have your core team. Every great product is not as a result of the solution that you're building, because in every country you have multiple teams building the exact solution or probably similar. What is going to make the difference at the end of the day is the team that is behind that product. As we navigate the response, the recovery, and reimagine phases, digital technology is more important than ever. For any organization to succeed in a world of unprecedented constraints, they would need to empower their employees, foster a new culture of hybrid work, engage their customers in new ways of intelligently and virtually. They need to be able to transform products and services with new business models and optimize operations to keep customers and employees safe and secure. And I call this the tech intensity. And that is business resilience and transformation. So how do we build our own digital capability for our customers to be able to learn, test, and act on the hypothesis? And so finally, we have to look at trust. Any product, any solution that don't have trust. So think of this, trust is the solution and the business model alignment that aligns with the core problem. So every product that you're building, every solution that you're building, the core of it is trust. If your customer, for example, our patients, our providers, what they're looking for is trust. Because when you look at a product, every product, you have to look at it from a success standpoint. That is, it has to be simplified, simplicity, unexpected, it has to be concrete, credible, and there has to be emotions attached to it, because people buy product, not because of what they necessarily think is going to do for them, but how it also makes them feel. When I looked at the solution that we're building, we have to align success to it. Simplicity, unexpected, concrete, a product that is credible, a product that has emotion attached to it.